Congratulations, you are awesome at what you do. In fact, you're not just an electrician, you are the electrician. So what does that mean exactly? Well, let me tell you. Being the electrician means that you are part of a new breed that works harder, smarter, faster, prouder than any others on the job. As the electrician, you live, work, and play to a higher standard. You, the electrician, are not a hack. You perform your work to the highest standard possible, no matter what others say. You, the electrician, take pride in both your work and your service. You're not just an installer, you are a highly skilled and highly trained professional. It doesn't matter if you're an apprentice, a journeyman, a master. You're neither a jerk nor a brute. Rather, you're a teacher and a mentor. As the electrician, you redefine the industry. You create your own destiny. You serve those for whom you work, and you do work that matters. You are not just an electrician, you are the electrician. You are one who goes above and beyond. You are the one that gets the job. You are the one that gets called back over and over. You are the one that is trusted. And that's the meaning behind this shirt. This is why I want to give it to you for free. You set a higher standard, and you want others to know about it. On the chest of the shirt is the Electricians Library logo, but it doesn't just stand for Electricians Library. It stands for greatness. It stands for power. The power that you have to go above and beyond just being an electrician. It's kind of like wearing Tony Stark's chest piece. You look at it and it reminds you who you are and what you stand for. It reminds you of the blood, sweat, and tears that you've gone through to get where you are today. It doesn't matter what stage of the trade you're in. There are millions of so-called electricians in the world, but none of them care or take pride in their work like you do. I don't know if you know this, but what you do matters. It's not just a job, it's not just a trade, it's a skill that very few truly master. That's not you. You want to take it to the next level. My name is John Workman, and I founded Electricians Library almost 3 years ago to help people like you get to that level. Thousands of people join me each week to learn and to get closer to the next level, and I hope that you're one of them. As a thank you, I want to send you this t-shirt, this high-vis orange t-shirt, because I know that you aren't just an electrician, you are the electrician. In fact, I'll cover the cost of the shirt if you'll cover the cost of the shipping. All you need to do is tell me where to ship the shirt, and I'll send it out right away. And as always, stay grounded.